Welcome to video instruction how to assemble your ladder. You will receive metal rods, nuts with 2 wrenches and screws, and also written instruction, and ladder itself and steps. And this is the final look how it's supposed to be. The ladder comes with pre-drilled holes on each side. So you put the rod in straight through and secure it with the nuts and a couple of wrenches. Just make it tight. And same thing under each ladder steps. And this ladder is 12-degree angled, and we do offer different angles and different heights, and also different width, 16, 18. We also offer different type of wood: teak, oak, pine, and cherry. And this is it. Thank you for watching.